In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Synthesia with PowerPoint. By the end, you'll know how to take your existing slides and turn them into a polished video with an AI presenter, all inside Synthesia. Start by opening your browser and searching for Synthesia. This is the quickest way to get to the platform without typing the full address. In the results, click the official Synthesia website. Once you're on the home page, look for the Login button and click it. Use your usual credentials to access your dashboard. If you're taken to a project list or a home screen, you're in the right place. From your Synthesia dashboard, locate the new video button in the top right corner and click it. This opens the video creation workspace. You'll see several ways to start a project, but for this workflow, choose the Import PowerPoint option. This is designed specifically to bring your slide deck directly into Synthesia so you can add an AI avatar and polish the presentation without rebuilding it from scratch. Next, drag and drop your .pptx file into the import window. Make sure your presentation is saved in the .pptx format. If it's an older .ppt file, resave it from PowerPoint first. As it uploads, Synthesia will convert your slides into editable scenes. A quick tip here. Slides with clear headings, concise text, and simple animations import most cleanly and are easier to present on video. Once the slides appear, you can enhance them with an AI avatar. Choose an avatar style that matches your brand or tone, then position it on each slide so it doesn't cover important content. You can adjust size and placement to keep text readable. If your slides include movement or transitions, review the animations and timings in Synthesia. Align the avatar's presence with key points, trim any overly long pauses, and ensure each scene feels tight and engaging. This is also a good moment to refine on-screen text for readability and check that visuals aren't too cluttered for a video format. When everything looks right, click Generate Video to finalize the presentation. Synthesia will process your project and render the full video with your imported slides and the AI avatar. Rendering time varies with length and complexity, so give it a moment. When it's done, you'll have a sleek, shareable video version of your PowerPoint that's ready for meetings, training, or posting wherever your audience is. That's it. You searched for Synthesia, logged in, created a new video, imported your PowerPoint, dropped in the .pptx file, enhanced it with an AI avatar and animation tweaks, and generated a finished video. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.